Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my haul that I did at Family Dollar. I did the 5 off 25. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I got, and then I'll show you guys my receipt, and then I'm going to do a little rant because I really want to kind of rant. I went to 3 Family Dollars. So anyways, I want to apologize for all the noise that you hear in the background. My daughter, no, baby, not that water. Alright, so yeah, I apologize for all noises, all distractions, all craziness. That's my life every single day. Let's get started. One thing I'm glad about going to 3 different Family Dollars is that I was able... Okay, so one thing I was excited about, one thing that made going to 3 different Family Dollars worth it was this Dawn Power Wash. So the first 2 that I went to didn't have it. I didn't go searching for this Dawn. there's a whole other reason why I went to 3 different Family Dollars, but I got lucky that the Dawn dish soap was at the 3rd one. So these are priced at $5, and we do have a $2.50 off digital coupon. Next thing I grabbed are these Gang Flings. They are priced at $3.95, and we have a $1 off Gang coupon. I also grabbed some Tide detergent. The Tide is not on sale this week. They are priced at the regular price of $5.50, but we do have a $2 off digital coupon. I decided to go ahead and do it because of the whole rant that I'm about to talk about, so I couldn't really figure out what deals I wanted to do, so I just decided to go ahead and do this. Annabelle, can you go please yell at Daddy? Next thing I grabbed is this Crest toothpaste. This is priced at $2, and we do have a $1 off digital coupon. So, and then the whole reason why I wanted to go couponing in the first place is because I'm pretty much running low on scented oil warmers. So I grabbed these 2 Snuggles. I don't know the name of this. Renza, something like that. So these are priced at $5 each, and we do have a buy one get one coupon or digital app. It doesn't say buy one get one free. It says buy 2 save $5, which is pretty much buy one get one free. So that is everything that I grabbed. I believe my total was $26.47 or 45 cents, something like that. But with all the coupons and the 5 off 25 going applying, it brought my total all the way down to $9.95, and I saved $16.50. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. Alright guys, so here's my receipt. That is everything that I picked up. All my coupons did come off perfectly fine, and the store coupon of 5 off 25 came off. So my total was $9.95. With tax, I paid a total of $11.34. So, really good deal. And like I said, it made everything only $1.65. Alright guys, so I really need to film in store or film in my car. This is why I try to film in my car, and this is why I was filming in store, because my family, and literally we're a family of 3. We're just 3. And they are so loud. You would think that 10 people lived in this house, and it's just 3 people, and it's constant. Something always going on. So I get so annoyed because I asked my boyfriend to please lower your voice just so I can get through this video. Literally a 10-minute video. Let me get through it real quick, and then you can scream all you want. Anywho, so that's actually not the rant. So okay, so when I went to the first Family Dollar, my plan for my whole Family Dollar trip was to get some scented oil refills because I'm running low. I'm pretty sure I lost some during my whole moving process. So I wanted to do the Snuggle deal, and I also wanted to do the Airwick deal, which is also buy one get one free. Now, when I picked up the product, I scanned it on the app, and it was going through, like it was attaching to the product. However, when I went to the cashier, it wasn't ringing up. So the thing was, the deal that I was doing that I originally had, I even made a whole video about it, like an in-store video and everything, because it was a perfect deal. So with the Snuggle and the Airwick deals, I also had the Carefree deal, and I also had the Crest toothpaste deal. With everything all together, it it brought me at $25 exactly. And then with all the coupons coming off, it was going to bring me down to $7. And then I would pay $7 plus tax. So really, really awesome deal. I was filming it in store, was excited to share it with you guys. And then the Airwick coupon wouldn't come off. So my thing was like, okay, no problem, you know. So of course, the cashier was like, oh, she tells me the total of $14. And I'm like, oh no. I'm like, that's kind of high. I calculated to be like $7. Did by chance the 5 off 25? I was like, did that by chance not come off? I'm like, maybe I did my calculation right, because I knew I hit 25 right on the dot. So I'm like, well, maybe I didn't do it right, and I'm missing like 10 cents or something, and I can just pick up the candy. She's like, no, everything. She said everything was coming off, and she's like, you can even look at the computer. And she showed it to me, and she's like, so what I noticed was the only thing that didn't come off was the Airwick. And she's like, oh yeah, no, I don't see an Airwick coupon. She's like, well, is it attaching to your account? And I'm like, well, it is. And she's like, okay, well, show me, scan it. And I'm like, okay. So I'm like, so if I show you that it's attaching to the account and everything, you're pretty much, I'm thinking, like, okay, maybe it's just me, but I'm thinking if you're going to ask me to show it to you and everything, and, like, go through the hassle of me taking out my phone out, you know what I mean, scanning it for you, showing you that the coupon did pop up when I scanned it, I'm thinking you're asking me to do all that because you're going to give me the credit, right? So I'm like, okay, no problem. I scanned it. It went through. I was like, yeah, see, it's attaching. She goes, oh. She's like, oh, no, it has to be $5.49. And I'm like, no, that says up to, that it will match the price up to $5.49. She goes, no, she's like, well, maybe it's because it's not the original. And I'm like, okay. I'm like, you know, and guys, I said this in another video, I'm always very patient, and I always try to be very nice to cashiers. Even before this pandemic happened and the crisis and the stores going crazy, even before all that, I always try to be very patient with cashiers because I know how cashiers feel about couponers. So, mind you, I'm very nice, and I'm like, okay, you know what, I understand, like, she's like, I'm like, well, I was like, you know, I don't get that, what did I say? I was like, no, I mean, I don't think that's it, but that's fine. And she's like, well, you can go get another product. She's like, you can go try another one, another scented oil. And I'm like, she's like, if you want to go find like the original scent. And I'm like, I don't know what the original scent is. Like, to me, they're all, you know, scents. And she's like, oh, well, I'll go get it for you then. And I'm like, it was just weird that this cashier went to the trouble of asking me to scan it so she can see the coupon, so she can see that the coupon matched. Anyways, so I'm sorry guys. So I just found it weird that this cashier I found it, baby, sit down over here. Sorry guys. So yeah, I found it weird that this cashier asked to see me scan the item, and then, you know, went to even grab a different product to see if it would work. And I'm thinking the whole time, you know, she's trying to help me, and then I'm realizing she's just like, I'm like, why did you waste my time like that? Like, you don't, it's just like, I feel like she was just mocking me. You know, it's like, you just had time to mock. Like, and like I said, I wasn't frustrated with her. And even when I couldn't do the deal at all, and I was like, you know what? I walked out of the store. I was like, I'm not going to get anything. I was like, I'm sorry. I'm like, thank you for your time. I'm sorry, but I'm just going to cancel the whole transaction. And she's just like, okay. And like, she wasn't rude, like being rude to me. She was just being rude in a mocking way, I guess. And me, even though I wanted to scream and say things, I have it in my head that I'm going to be nice to cashiers no matter what. And that was before the pandemic. So that was just my little rant, because I was just like, you didn't have to make it seem like you were going to try to help me, but really deep down you knew you never were going to help me. And so you just kind of had my high hopes and just anywho. So I go to a second store because I'm thinking, that coupon is attaching on the digital app, so maybe it's just that store. So I go to a second store that's like 5 minutes away. But again, same thing happened. The coupon wasn't attaching at the register. And so I decided to give up. And I was going to go back. And then at the second store I went to, I was like, you know what? They actually had toilet paper there too. I could have done a toilet paper deal. So I was like, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to have to switch my breakdown around, do a whole different deal. The only problem with the second store was that I did not have internet service, so I couldn't log onto the app. So I was just like, I have to go back to the first store to do a different deal because I don't have internet service in this store. But by that time, I was just like, I was just done. I really didn't feel like going back to that store. And I really didn't want to see that cashier again. I didn't want to deal with her. I mean, I will go back to it eventually because it's the closest Family Dollar to me. But I just didn't want to deal with it. And so I told myself tomorrow, tomorrow being today, after work, I'll go to Family Dollar and I'll try. I won't even try with the Airwick again. I didn't even try again today with the Airwick. I already knew it wasn't going to work. I was just like, I'm just going to go and do a whole different deal and hopefully it all worked out, which it did. And I also got lucky that I found the Dawn spray, because I did check in both stores. They didn't have it. And even though I have another one of these bottles from couponing, I still haven't used them yet. But I know they're really popular and they're getting a lot of good reviews. So I'm excited to try it eventually once, because I have, my stockpile in order from the use. So once I get there, I'll try it out. If I end up not liking it, I'll give it to my mom. And then this bottle I'll probably donate. So yeah, guys, that's my rant for today. So yeah. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!